So Granny's Amana top loader direct drive wash machine filled with water, agitated, and now it won't drain. So I'm going to show you the easy way to fix that. Before you get started dismantling any of the washing machine, go ahead and unplug it from the wall, and you can test a lamp in here to see if this outlet's working. And if it's not working, we'll go to the breaker and flip it off and see if that might be what's causing the issue. If the power's working correctly, I'm going to show you what to check next. We're going to start by removing the screws on this side and this side. And then this whole piece will slide forward and lift up. You're going to come on the left side of it here and just disconnect this piece. This is the actual lid switch. Ideally, you would replace this lid switch, but we just need it running today, so I'm going to show you how to bypass it. So I just cut a little piece of Romex, spare Romex I had. You can buy this at the hardware store. They'd probably give you an inch or two of it. And then I just stripped off the ends, and this will go in the two outside terminals. And then I'm going to tape it up with electrical tape. All right, so I wrapped it all with electrical tape. We're just going to leave it sitting right here and put everything back together. All right, so these 3 plastic clips on each side will go into these 3 holes. So you start from the front and get them lined up on there. And then you slide it towards the back. And the screws in the back were right here, so we're gonna get these screwed in on both sides. All right, so I got it plugged back in. I got all this put back together, and it drains. You can open the lid and it will spin, it will drain, it will agitate, so just make sure you close the lid whenever it's in operation, because this is a definite safety hazard. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.